If you've been hearing the buzz about artificial intelligence and wondering, how can I get a piece of that pie? You're in the right place. The AI revolution isn't just about big tech companies anymore. It's creating incredible opportunities for everyday people like you and me to build new income streams. You don't need to be a coding genius or have a PhD in computer science. All you need is a bit of creativity and the willingness to learn. Today, I'm going to break down 10 creative and practical ways you can start making money with AI right now. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to take some notes. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation. This is one of the most accessible entry points for anyone. Think about all the businesses, YouTubers, and bloggers out there who need a constant flow of content. They need blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, and email newsletters. Tools like Jasper, Copy, AI, or even ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality drafts in a fraction of the time it would take to write from scratch. Your job isn't to just copy and paste. The real value you provide is as a human editor and strategist. You use the AI to do the heavy lifting, then you refine, fact-check, and inject your unique voice and personality into the content. You can offer this as a freelance service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, packaging your skills as an AI-assisted content specialist. Businesses are willing to pay a premium for fast, high-quality content, and you can be the one to deliver it. Number 2 is creating and selling AI art. This one is for all the creative souls out there. With platforms like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, you can turn simple text prompts into breathtaking works of art. The possibilities are endless. You can create stunning digital prints to sell on Etsy, design unique t-shirt graphics for print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring, or even create custom illustrations for clients. Think about creating themed art packs, like a collection of futuristic cityscapes or fantasy creatures, and selling them on marketplaces like Creative Market. You can also offer your services as an AI artist to create specific visuals for book covers, album art, or marketing campaigns. It's a brand new field, and being one of the first to master this skill can set you up for some serious success. Let's move on to idea number 3, AI-powered voiceover services. The demand for professional voiceovers for videos, podcasts, and audiobooks is exploding. But not everyone has the budget for a professional studio and voice actor. This is where AI voice generators like Murph, AI, or 11 Labs come in. These tools can create incredibly realistic and natural-sounding voices in multiple languages and accents. You can start a service where you take a client's script and turn it into a polished audio file. You can offer different voice styles, add background music, and do the final audio engineering to deliver a ready-to-use product. This is a perfect side hustle because you can complete projects from anywhere, and the AI does most of the technical work, leaving you to focus on quality control and client management. Coming in at number 4, building and managing AI chatbots for businesses. Every business with a website can benefit from a chatbot. They can answer customer questions 24/7, capture leads, and even guide users through a sales process. In the past, building a chatbot required complex coding. Not anymore. Tools like ChatFuel or Tidio now use AI to let you build sophisticated chatbots with a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can learn how to use these platforms and then offer your services to local businesses or online stores. You can charge a setup fee to build the chatbot and then a monthly retainer to manage, update, and optimize its performance. Businesses love this because it saves them time and improves their customer service, making it a really easy sell. Idea number 5 is AI-powered video editing. Video is king, but editing can be incredibly time-consuming. AI tools are changing the game. Software like Descript allows you to edit video just by editing the text transcript. It can automatically remove filler words like and and even create short, shareable clips for social media with a single click. Tools like Opus Clip can take a long YouTube video and automatically generate viral-worthy shorts. You can offer a service where you take raw video footage from clients and use these AI tools to quickly turn it into polished, engaging content. This is perfect for YouTubers, course creators, and businesses who want to repurpose their content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels without spending hours editing. Number 6, becoming an AI consultant for small businesses. Many small business owners hear about AI, but have no idea how to apply it to their operations. That's where you come in. You can specialize in helping businesses identify areas where AI can save them time and money. This could be anything from implementing an AI-powered CRM to automate sales, using AI for inventory management, or setting up AI-driven marketing campaigns. You don't need to be an expert in everything. Just pick one or two areas, learn the best tools inside and out, and position yourself as the go-to expert. You can charge for an initial audit and then offer project-based fees to implement the solutions you recommend. At number 7, we have creating and selling AI-generated music. Just like with visual art, AI is now capable of composing original, royalty-free music. Platforms like SoundRaw or AIVA allow you to generate unique tracks in any genre, mood, or length you desire. You can create music packs for video creators, game developers, or podcasters and sell them on audio marketplaces. You could also offer a custom music service where you work with a client to generate the perfect soundtrack for their project. With the constant need for fresh music that won't trigger copyright strikes, this is a market that's only going to grow. It's a fantastic way to blend a passion for music with cutting-edge technology. Idea number 8 is providing AI-driven SEO services. Search engine optimization is crucial for any online business, and AI is making it more powerful than ever. Tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase use AI to analyze top-ranking content and provide detailed recommendations on how to optimize your own articles. They tell you which keywords to use, how long your content should be, and what questions you need to answer. You can master one of these tools and offer a specialized SEO service. You could help clients optimize their existing blog posts or create brand new, perfectly optimized content from scratch. Because ranking on Google directly translates to more traffic and sales, businesses are willing to invest heavily in effective SEO. Next up, at number 9, creating educational content about AI. As you can see from this video, people are hungry for information about artificial intelligence. You can become a trusted source of knowledge in this space. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a newsletter dedicated to breaking down complex AI topics into simple, easy-to-understand content. You could review new AI tools, share tutorials on how to use them, or report on the latest industry news. As you build an audience, you can monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing for the tools you recommend, selling your own digital products like ebooks or courses, or securing brand sponsorships. You're not just making money, you're building a community around this exciting field. Finally, our 10th idea is personalized AI coaching and training. This is a more hands-on approach. Instead of just selling a service, you're teaching others how to do it themselves. You could offer one-on-one coaching to entrepreneurs who want to integrate AI into their business. You could run small group workshops teaching people how to use Midjourney for art or Descript for video editing. You can create and sell a full-blown online course that takes students from beginner to expert in a specific AI skill. This is incredibly valuable because you're empowering people with skills that can directly improve their careers and businesses. It's a highly rewarding and profitable path to take. So there you have it. 10 creative and actionable ideas to start making money with AI. The key is to stop just consuming AI content and start creating with it. Pick one idea that excites you the most, dive deep, and become an expert. The future is here, and it's filled with opportunities for those who are ready to embrace it. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Start small, stay curious, and keep learning. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to thrive in the age of AI. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.